Speaking of mysterious and unusual, here we go to Ottawa, Canada. Nathan Golden, 6'5" of 2025, looked up and saw this. We're going to zoom in close. This wasn't making any sound, had no flashing lights, had no wings or tail fin. However, as you're going to see when we zoom in, it's got something in the middle. What is that? Almost looks like a white submarine in the daytime sky with no wings, no sound, and no flashing light. Make that make sense. It simply doesn't make sense. That's what compelled him to take the video, was its highly unusual appearance in the daytime sky, and it is indeed weird. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like that. It's not a blimp, it's moving way too fast. Blimps don't move that fast. And I don't know if the camera is just simply out of focus or this has some sort of a force field around it. Here I zoomed in and modified the format. And you can see it's leaving a little bit of a vapor trail behind it. Don't know what to make of that either. Maybe it's a combustion engine that's very, very quiet. I don't know. Maybe it's being caused by something else, maybe a heat exchange or something. But here's an inverted view. Light is dark, dark is light. And there you have it, whatever it may be. I'll leave it up to you guys to decide. Have you ever seen anything quite like that?